All right, working on number 19, skipping 18 for the sake of time. Find two numbers whose difference is 10 and whose product is minimal. So I want to find the thing with the smallest possible product. So what do? I say I find my constraint in my objective function. Objective. What's my constraint? What's the thing that this problem is forcing upon me? The fact that these two numbers, call them a minus b, that has to be equal to 10. And my objective is a times b is equal to p for product. So my goal is to minimize the product while keeping with the constraint. So a is equal to 10 plus b. I plug that into my objective. 10 plus b times b is equal to p. So p is equal to b squared plus 10b. P prime, take a derivative, is 2b plus 10. I set that equal to 0. So 2b is equal to minus 10. B is equal to minus 5. And I want to check that this actually gives me a minimum, because maybe for some reason it doesn't. So P double prime, you can use the first or second derivative test. I'm going to use the second because this thing's easy to take a derivative. Derivative of is 2. So the second derivative is positive, which says that this thing is concave up, which means we found a local minimum. So b equals minus 5 gives a local min, and then I just plug in a equals 10 plus b equals 5. And if we think for a second, this kind of makes sense. Because if I plug in two positive numbers, I'm going to get a positive product. If I plug in two negative numbers, I'm going to get a positive product. So somehow my numbers have to be close to 0. And so it kind of makes sense that they're on either side. B is minus 5, A is plus 5. All right.